Ever feel like you're living a life that's moving, but not forward? You wake up tired, scroll with no end. Your room is messy, your mind is worse. You feel behind on everything. Life is happening, but not by your design. What if the chaos you repeat came from systems you never chose? But what if you could reclaim it all? Not with a perfect plan, just with 21 days, one reset, one habit at a time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unfuck your life in 3 real steps. Step 1, you know, but you don't move. You know what's wrong. You've known for months. Too much scrolling, too little sleep, motivated at midnight, numb by morning. You don't need more awareness. You're drowning in it. What you lack is rhythm, discipline, system. Step 2, routine isn't the enemy. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the patterns you call normal. You say you want change, but your habits still worship chaos. You start things, but don't stay. You chase motivation, not consistency. You want freedom, but refuse structure. And if you don't upgrade the system, you'll keep reliving the same loop with better excuses. Step 3, burnout doesn't need flames. You think burnout means collapse, panic, tears, but sometimes it just means waking up tired for the 5th week in a row, skipping your meals, dreading your days. It's silent, familiar, easy to ignore. As Brianna Wiest said, burnout happens not because we're doing too much, but because we're doing too little of what makes us feel alive. You're not out of time, you're just out of rhythm, and you can get it back, one reset at a time. Just one small shift, one habit, one reset, 21 days. That's all it takes to rewrite the story you've been stuck inside. Not for the algorithm, not for the applause, for you. Because the loops you hate can be rewritten. The rhythm you lost can return. Start small, but start. The question isn't, can you? It's will you? Comment below. What's the first habit you're resetting today?